Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check installed apps or programs in Windows 11 PC. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, turn on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything is ready before proceeding to the next steps. Once your PC is fully loaded and ready to use, you'll want to navigate to the Windows Start menu located within your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. From there, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Control Panel. This is the central hub where you can access various system settings and configurations. After typing it in, simply hit Enter on your keyboard. A control panel window will now appear on your screen, presenting you with several computer settings and categories you can access. This is where you manage various aspects of your Windows system. From the list of options displayed, locate and click on Programs. This section contains all the tools related to managing software on your computer. Next, click on Programs and Features. This option allows you to view detailed information about every application installed on your system. Once you click it, a new window will open displaying a comprehensive list of all the installed apps or programs within your Windows 11 PC. This list is extremely useful for managing your software and keeping track of what's on your system. In this window, you'll be able to see detailed information about each program. You can view the software name, which tells you exactly what application it is. You'll also see the publisher, which shows you who developed the software. Additionally, the list displays the date when each app was installed, giving you a timeline of your software installations. You can also check the size of each program, which helps you understand how much storage space it's taking up. Finally, you'll see the current version of each application, which is useful for knowing whether you need to update any software. And that's it. You've now accessed a complete view of all installed programs on your Windows 11 PC, making it easy to manage and monitor your software. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.